Hey, there it is.
Dad.
You got it all assembled already.
Yeah.
That looks great. Hey, now one of the most important things to remember is to always register your products.
I got it, Dad.
Because if there's anything that Toro wants you to know, like a safety issue or a recall or something, they need to know how to contact you.
Right.
Plus, when you register, gives you that real sense of ownership.
It does, yeah.
Oh, hey, I brought you some of my old calendars to look at. Because you need to make sure that you know how many hours you're mowing. So you know when to change the oil or clean the oil filter or whatnot.
Right.
You take good care of your mower, it's gonna last you for years and years.
I know, Dad.
And like I always say, safety is number one. So before you start using your mower, be sure to read your entire manual from front to back.
Front to back.
Keep this someplace safe so you can refer to it year after year. Oh, hey, that reminds me. I brought you my entire collection of lawn care books.
Oh, wow.
You remember these, don't you? This is going to tell you everything you need to know about when to fertilize, when to water, when to mow. Oh, hey, come over here. I wanted to show you this. What are you doing over there anyway?
Playing with the puck.
What?
The puck.
The MyToro app and PUC help you keep your Toro equipment running smoothly. It's like your dad in an app. Download the free MyToro app today. Toro, count on it.